My name is Rose Aidin Buhay Villaseñor, and you can call me Rose. I am 65, turning 66 next year. I think I'm the oldest among my batch when I joined Shearwater. I started working at Polymedic Hospital, dati yan sa Mandaluyong, which is BRP now. And I was working there for 9 years. Then I had this opportunity to be working at Singapore for almost 6 years. I started as a geriatric nurse from pediatric department to geriatric. Then my next experience was in a multidisciplinary area. Yung determination ba to learn, determination to give services kahit na saan ka pa, especially when it comes to children, yun po yung naging weapon ko to serve. And at the same time, natuto naman po. Yung sabi nila parang masyadong ano na yon, yung service to humanity, yung mga ganon. Pero it's really comforting. Masarap sa feeling yung nagsiserve ka, and at the same time, sabi ko siguro this is my calling. Mas malakas ang calling ko when it comes to pediatrics. Yung stages of going up do sa pagiging nurse, especially when you're abroad, yung pagiging determined ka to know the routines, to know what to do. You came on that place not because of anything else. Part of it is syempre po monetary. Aside from the monetary, magsusunod-sunod na rin yun na yung services na inoffer mo, is it worth what you're receiving or not? Parang ganun. Pero sa akin po, sobra-sobra pa. Siguro paminsan-minsan yung homesick ka. Why was I able to look after others' children but I can't look after my own children? Yun po lang siguro nagiging ano ko. Yun ang parang regrets na. Pero consolation ko doon is my children all grew up na walang bisyo. They were able to finish their schoolings. Wala silang other mga bad influences. Hindi pala porket retired ka na is okay na yon. Hindi pala ganon kasimple as being a retired. Kala natin, di ba, pag nag-retire ka, oy, happy ka na, naghihintay ka na lang ng pension. Pag naging routine na, it's not good anymore. Kaya you'll be looking for something na will make parang worth ba yung buhay mo. Parang kasi ang feeling ko that time na, ano ba to? Nagkakasakit ako, nagkakaroon ako ng parang hindi insomnia, yung mga ganon. I need to do something, sabi ko. Siguro naman meron na may company a-accept ng mga seniors, ganon po. Yun nga po yung punta ko dito sa Pampanga, yun po yung job fair nila. Ay, okay, sabi ko ganon, home of clinician, sabi ko ganon. Sabi ko, uy, okay to, sabi ko, at least I would be fitted here. Kasi sabi ko, with my vast experiences, sabi ko, baka ma-hire naman ako. Since work from home, I have no idea what really was in store for me. Through the series of examination and interviews, there will be someone who will be reaching out with you. Sabi gano'n sa akin, baka October po magsimula kayo. Tapos, yun po, hanggang sa may mga bouts of anxiety, may mga confusions sa mga while on my journey here. Sa paunti-unti, daily ba, sa araw-araw na nangyayari, nagkakaroon naman po ng improvement. Yung journey ko sa Shearwater is really worth it. Kasi yung support na lang, yun na po ang pinaka-best thing na naibibigay sa akin. Na sabi ko ganun, hindi sila mahirap sabihan na bago lang, hindi ako techie, hindi ganito, hindi ako ganyan. Nandun po sila, naka-assist sa akin yung time na yun na nag-uumpisa sa production. Kaya happy rin po ako sabi ko, sana lahat ng company ganito, na may mga taong talagang alam nila kung ano yung weaknesses mo, they are there to help you out. Yun naman po ang kainaman doon. Iba yung pagtanggap sa'yo ng Shearwater. Lahat, kumbaga, kulang na lang. I-baby ka ng Shearwater Parang ganon, doon sa mga supports na binibigay na unlimited ang support ng Clearwater. I am Rose, proud clinician, and this is my voice of experience.